Here's my 351 final project. It's basically a homemade Roomba, and for those of you who don't know what a Roomba is, it's an autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner. Here we have the vacuum part of the robot. It uses a 9-volt battery pack that's connected to a switch that turns on the fan that's attached to a DC motor. Here's the vacuum cleaning some peppers that I accidentally spilled. So if you ever spill peppers, you can just use this very useful robot. And if you ever need to empty out the vacuum, you can just make the DC motor spin the other way so all the peppers just fly out like this. The vacuum part then is connected to this robot that uses 3 ultrasonic sensors, 1 in the middle and 2 on the sides. And the sensors are used to guide the robot and avoid obstacles that are in the way. Depending on the proximity of the object to the sensor, the robot either turns right or left depending which side is displaying the larger distance. In addition to the sensors that are connected to Arduino, there's a motor driver that has 2 DC motors attached to it that is used to control the speed of the wheels. Here's the robot just doing its thing. Here's my processing screen. It blinks slow when the robot is close to a wall, meaning it's about to hit it. And when there's no obstacle, it blinks really fast.